Hello, respectable audience. This question is just to memorize your good days in 1960s. So prepare yourself and test yourself. In this question, what will be the answer for this question? 26 divided by 13 times 1 plus 1 parenthesis closed. Now most people get its answer 1. But remember that 1 is not correct answer. Their method to solve this question is in this way, that 1 plus 1 they will get 2. Here is dot. Dot means multiplication. It is 13. Now 13 times 2 they will get 26. And here it is 26. It is division. So both are same and are being divided. So we will get 1. But I have mentioned that 1 is not correct. It means we have to rehandle this question according to in such a way by which your teacher taught in 1960s. That is PEMDAS. So PEMDAS mean parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. We have to obey this rule to get this question correctly. We have division, multiplication, parenthesis. So this operation, this order will tell you that which operation should be performed first. Parenthesis, here you are looking parenthesis. So this one will be handled first. Okay. Here we will get 2 because 1 plus 1 is replaced with 2. 13 as it is divided by, and in the beginning we have 26. Now we have division and multiplication mean this portion. Here we have multiplication and division. Both are same, but we have to move from left to right. In this question, division is at left and multiplication is at right. So we have to handle this division first. Okay, that is the point which is taught by your teacher in 1960s. And 26 divided by 13 will be equal to 2. And here is 2. 2 times 2 we will get 4. So 4 will be our correct answer for this simple but tricky math question. Thank you.